Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Neo kqi3 Pro not turning on. If you want to fix the issue, then you have these options. This is the first thing you can try. Here you will see when people says that I am having a similar problem, it won't turn on. After messing with it for a bit, I realize it would turn on only when the right brake lever is squeezed. When you let off the brake, it turn back off. Weird. So this is the first thing you can try is to check. Right brake lever is squeezed. When you let off the brake, it turn back off. So you will need to check the brake lever squeeze. This is the first thing you can try. The second thing you can try is to press the power button and check if you hear a click sound. If there is no clicking sound or feeling, it might because the power button is stuck. If so, please open the dashboard cover and check if the power button is working properly. If the power button is not defective, please disassemble the handlebar and check whether the wire is properly connected. If the problem persists, it is recommended to send the scooter to the customer service. So this is the another thing provided by the peoples on the official website of Reddit. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.